Hey everybody, this is your financial friend Michael Morrow. This episode I'm going to speak to you about the importance of paying your medical bills. Now, the main thing we don't want to do is let them be late and ruin your credit. Medical bills are the leading cause of bankruptcy according to many financial sources. And people neglect their medical bills without realizing because they can't pay the bill, they feel like it's too much, so they go so long without paying. But it's very important you realize paying your medical bills is crucial to keeping a high credit score. Now, many of you are going to get a bill from the hospital, and it may not even be the correct amount. In a lot of cases, that's because the insurance company has, in their cases, not paid their portion of the medical bill yet. Nonetheless, you can still contact the hospital, make arrangements with them for any past due bills, and if they're handed over to a third party collector, please work with them. Now, some of them are not as nice as others, but if you pay something, even if it's a minimum of $5 every paycheck, that's something that could help in the long run keep your credit up, because what's going to happen, they'll write it off and they'll increase uh, you will actually decrease your credit score. So a lot of people just need to stay in contact with the main hospital bills, and we have to maintain a good credit score, because without maintaining a good credit score, it disrupts our life and keeps us from getting the things that we desire to have in life. So we see that a good credit score can open many doors for you, and we cannot allow medical bills or not paying the medical bills cause us to have that denied life. Now, of course, you can contact the three credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, and make sure that your bills are up to date, or I should say any late bills are up to date, because a lot of these credit bureaus operate separately. So you have a different credit score for each one of them. So it's important you contact each one and find out, hey, what is my credit score? Are these medical bills on my credit record? And do they need to be removed? And we can go through a lesson on how to remove those as well later on. Now, one of the easiest ways to keep your medical bills from impacting your credit score is to pay your bills when you receive them. If you can't afford to make the bill payment in full, contact the hospital's billing department and make arrangements with them. Even if you have health insurance, don't assume that the health insurance company will pay in a timely manner. If you receive the bill that should have been paid by the insurance company, well, go ahead and contact the insurance company and find out why the bill wasn't paid. It's very important we be proactive when it comes to our credit. Insurance companies often cover only a certain percentage of medical bills, so you might be responsible for some portion of the medical debt even after the insurance company has covered its part. Policies are different, so you make sure you want to look at your policies before you go into having any type of procedure into the hospital. Even after the fact, you can look into that as well to know that they have covered their portion and you know your portion to cover as well. Okay? We just want to make sure we're safe when it comes to contacting the hospital or the physician billing department to check the status of your account, especially when you receive medical bills. That's a difference between good credit and bad credit. Stay proactive, be on top of what you need to do, and keep your credit score safe. It's very important. This is your financial friend Michael Morrow, just giving you another tidbit episode of how we can keep our credit score up and take responsibility for our financial future. You have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. God bless.